What's up, my auto body nation? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and my daughter's giving me some eyes like I'm a goofball, but it's okay. So here we got Mr. John Warner with his project. Over here, I'm trying to make this. What the hell happened to the freaking car? Just disappeared. Here it is. What is going on with this? Okay. Tony, I have a 2007 Mustang GT that's factory orange. What would I have to do to add clear coat? Because I want to color sand and buff, where I use some touch-up paint. Everything looks really nice. Looks really thin layers. So I'm kind of confused. Do you want to add clear coat on where you use touch-up, or clear coat to the whole thing so you can sand and buff? Because you put a period here. This is very tough for me to figure out. I don't know. So if you want to add, let's just go with, if you want to add clear coat, new clear to this thing so you can color sand it and buff it, okay? If I were you, I would just try to just get some 2500 grit or 3000 grit and just block sand this out here. And then just try to buff that out. I know it's kind of thin paint, but you could probably get a nice gloss just with that. If you want to clear coat it, I would sand the whole thing down with 800 grit, okay? Don't go all the way down to the yellow. Just get the clear coat like a flat color, okay? And I would wax and grease this decal, and you could even clear coat over that decal if you want to. The problem is if you get a damage or something, it's going to be a problem taking that off, because you're going to have to sand through the clear coat and the decal. It's just going to be a big sand job here if you ever have to repair this door. Just saying. Or you could take the decal off, clear coat it, and then put the decal back on. Get another decal, put it back on. Right? But I would 800 grit the whole thing, mask it up, and shoot 2 heavy coats of clear coat. That'll give you enough clear coat to color sand and buff. You could even go 3 coats. So that's pretty much it. This is going to be a short video, guys, giving you some quick tips on this question here from John Warner. Hopefully this answered your question. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thank you, YouTube. Please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel. And if you're brand new, all you got to do is go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. If you're on mobile, click the little button here to get a free 100-page auto body guide, or down below in the description here if you're on a desktop to grab that guide. We just redid the whole guide. It took my girl and I about 2 weeks to redo it. There's links, there's videos within the guide that you can click to that'll take you to our YouTube properties and website blogs to learn so much more about auto body and paint. Again, if you're interested in this stuff, check out the VIP course. We're going on over 10,000 VIP members worldwide and strong. We've changed and helped so many people learn auto body, change their lives. Literally, people like open up their own body shops by going through this program. It's amazing. Tony here. Talk to you soon, guys. Peace.